Good morning, YouTube. Welcome in. Today we got a beautiful build for you. Today we're building HMAY's new PC. If you don't know who she is a demon in the Warzone space. Today we're building the 7800X3D. We're pairing that with Kingston 6400 megahertz of DDR5, all on the beautiful B650 board coming in from MSI. We're putting this all in the beautiful CK560, which you haven't seen before on the stream, as well as the LS520 to make sure our system is cooled really, really well. And we're pairing it with a 4070 Ti. Let us know think down below in the comments. Make sure to hit that like button.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and funk.